Good morning, students. Let's continue about the unit 3, the second half of the topic, the perception. Perception is a process individuals select, organize, interpret information from their environment to give it meaning. It helps people understand and world around them, guides their behavior at work. Importance of perception in organization, decision making, effective communication, conflict management, motivation, the employee to the fairness affect the motivation, performance appraisal, who are the evaluation of the employee, leadership effectiveness is nothing but leaders must understand employee perception to lead effectively. The second one is learning and reinforcement. Learning is nothing but relative permanent change in behavior resulting from experience. Reinforcement is a process of strengthening desired behavior or discouraging hand hand resigners of behavior through rewards and punishment. So the types of reinforcements are they? So positive, negative, punishment, and exertion. Okay, so the positive reinforcement, rewarding desirable behavior to encourage repetition like bonus, recognition, and promotion. Negative reinforcements, unpleasant condition to encourage behavior, stopping criticism when target or met. Punishment is nothing but unpleasant consistency to discourage unwanted behavior. So the example of warning letters and emotion. And then expression, the ignoring and not ignoring the reward of unwanted behavior, reducing in concurrence. And the next one, motivation and group dynamic. Motivation is inspiring employee to work willing and effectively together. Organization objective. So we have the two motivation. Okay, comes from with the individual, comes from external factor. Okay, that is a salary, bonus, motivation. So all those things will comes under the motivation part. So group dynamic, we have to founder what are the group things and what are the roles and norms you're going to be effective inside the objective of the organization here. The study of group behavior and focus that influence group performance and cohesion. So these are the management you're going to be communicate in between the group dynamic and motivation of the fundamentals of management. Powers and influence is nothing but what are the power, the capability to thinking, get some important things to achieve in the against of the resistancy. Influence is nothing but ability to affect other and attribute and believe the behavior without using formal authority. Power is nothing but influence other action or decision. Sources include intimated reward and expert and refined power. Power help achieve goal, maintains discipline, guide behavior, and promote leadership. Influence is nothing but ability to affect other, aptitude or behavior without formal authority through prevention and inspiration, consideration and exchange or role and model to motivate the employee, guide and decision and motivate to cooperation. Work stress and stress management, it between the mentally and physical emotional health to affecting all those things in the job in the depend upon the existing the employee capacity, the involving organizing environment and factors affect health and behavior productivity. Stress management is nothing but process of controlling and reducing stress using the time management, relaxation, exercise, positive thinking, skill management, EAP. So all those things are supporting about the stress management. So the last one is a decision making. Decision making of you are going to solve the problem in the selecting our the best and choosing the best component of the organization performance. How you are going to be identify the problem, gathering information, developing the evolution, all those things you are going to be using the decision making method. Organization culture and managing culture diversity. So organization culture is a shape value, what you're going to be perform and what are the shapes you're going to be implement in the organization level. So that is a culture you're going to be using the norms and principal values. Managing control diversity is nothing but what are the presence of difference among the various between working the recognition in the employee particularly, and then what are the improve the